Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at this dash cam. It comes in this little box, obviously, and I would say we just open that up right away, dive in there, and see what this is all about. Apparently, it's a Wi-Fi connection, also loop record, and it has an inbuilt storage, and you can also enter the dash cam with your cell phone. This is what the dash cam looks like, pretty straightforward. You got a little sticky pad on the top for the mount. You can adjust the angle, which is kind of nice, and then you also have a little button here, and on the side, that's where the SD card goes, which is included, 64 gigs, which is fine, I guess. And here is the input for the cable, and this is the button to actually save something. If you want to save something that is not actually auto-saved because it wasn't an accident or something like that. So I would say we throw that back in here, and then we will also check what's underneath, and then we will install it really quick and see it in action. So we got some sticky pads for cable management, also an USB drive to put the SD card on your computer if you don't have that anymore, and then there's also the outlet for energy source and all that. Um, some stream protections if that's something you're looking for, also an opener, and yeah, that's pretty much it what's inside here. And I would say we throw it on the car and get on the road and see what that looks like in action. And yep, I will take care of that really quick, and then I will see you on the road. So give me 1 second, and then we will see what it actually looks like when we're outside. So here we are actually driving. As you can see, we installed also one in the back. Feel free to do if you want to. There's two different packages. One is just front camera, one is with the back as well. So as you can see, quality-wise, pretty decent, not bad at all. I'm pretty satisfied with the looks, liking the colors and all that. Here's the front camera, and it doesn't look too shabby. It's picking up everything, got a wide angle here as well. All in all, yeah, pretty satisfying. Was pretty easy to install as well. Just getting a little annoyed by the cable, but that's up to you how you hide that or how you install that. And here's also a view from the back camera, which is also pretty decent. You see there's no lag or anything, so I'm more than satisfied with that. And yeah, that's kind of what you can expect out of this package here. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask, and otherwise I will just let it run for a little bit, and I think I can call it a day though. So yeah, until next time you guys, take care. I will see you around, and I'm out.